Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore amazing world of AI tools and how they can transform content creation and entrepreneurship. Today, I have got something mind-blowing to share with you. Yes, I'm so excited to share. But before we dive into it, let me give you small context, okay? The video you are about to watch is entirely AI generated. Yes, 100% AI generated. Yes, you heard that right. What you will see isn't me physically speaking, it's my AI clone created using some incredible tools. I'll be telling them. Now I know what you might be thinking. If AI is doing all the work, what's left for you? Yes, you are going to join with me to create such amazing AI clones. I'll teach you in this channel. So, crafting this video involving using tools like captions.ai for seamless subtitle, Beat.ai for generating the voice, and in short for professional video editing. And of course, internet played a quick role and in fact key role to bring out the entire thing for you. This experiment isn't just about letting AI do the talking, it's about showcasing the power of these tools and how they can save time, boost creativity, and help creators like you and me scale our efforts without burning out. So, sit back and enjoy this AI-powered experience. And don't forget, AI is here to amplify work, not replace your genius. Stick around till the end because I will share the process and insights behind creating this video. And trust me, you don't want to miss that.
Hey, want to turn your AI investment into cold hard cash? Listen up. Businesses are pouring millions into AI, but many are scratching their heads wondering where the returns are. Here's the secret. It's all about strategic implementation. First, identify your pain points. Where can AI make the biggest impact? Next, start small. Test, learn, and scale. Don't forget to upskill your team. AI is only as good as the people behind it. And here's the kicker. Focus on customer value. If your AI isn't solving real problems for real people, it's just expensive fluff. Remember, ROI isn't just about cutting costs, it's about creating new opportunities. So, are you ready to make your AI work for you? Let's turn those algorithms into dollar signs.
Hey, want to supercharge your career? Listen up. Google just dropped a game changer called AI Essentials. It's a self-paced course that's about to revolutionize how we work. Whether you're in tech, marketing, or even healthcare, this course is for you. Imagine boosting your productivity with AI skills that fit any industry. The best part? You can learn at your own pace. No pressure, just pure potential. This isn't just another boring online course. It's your ticket to staying ahead in a world where AI is changing everything. Don't get left behind. Google AI Essentials is your secret weapon for career success. Are you ready to level up? The future is AI and it's waiting for you. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Your future self will thank you.
Hey, want to turn your passion into profit? Let's talk content monetization with AI. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you create, optimize, and market your content 24/7. That's the power of AI. It can analyze trends, suggest topics, and even help with SEO. But here's the real game changer. AI can personalize your content for different audience segments, maximizing engagement and conversions. Think about it. While you sleep, AI could be fine-tuning your social media strategy or generating ideas for your next viral post. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. With user-friendly AI tools, anyone can boost their content game. So, are you ready to supercharge your earnings? It's time to embrace AI and watch your content monetization soar.
Hey there, future tech moguls. Imagine having a personal genius that can crunch numbers, predict trends, and even write content for you. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. AI and machine learning tools are here, and they're not just for tech wizards. Let's dive into some game-changing products that'll make you feel like a Silicon Valley pro, even if you can't code to save your life. From chatbots that handle customer service like a boss, to analytics tools that'll make you look like a data scientist, we're about to supercharge your business. Stick around. Because in the next 20 seconds, I'll reveal the top 3 AI tools that are so easy to use
your grandma could run a tech startup. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Get ready to supercharge your ideas with Gemini, Google's game-changing AI chatbot. Imagine having a brilliant brainstorming partner available 24/7, right at your fingertips. Gemini isn't just another chatbot. It's like having a genius friend who's always ready to help. Need to solve a complex problem? Gemini's got your back. Want to explore creative concepts? It'll take your imagination to new heights. From coding assistance to content creation, Gemini is your go-to companion for all things innovative. But here's the kicker. It learns and adapts to your style, making each interaction uniquely tailored to you. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Give Gemini a try and watch your ideas soar to new dimensions.
A note from Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai. Information is at the core of human progress. It's why we've focused for more than 26 years on our mission to organize the world's information and make it accessible and useful. And it's why we continue to push the frontiers of AI to organize that information across every input and make it accessible via any output, so that it can be truly useful for you. That was our vision when we introduced Gemini 1.0 last December. The first model built to be natively multimodal, Gemini 1.0 and 1.5 drove big advances with multimodality and long context to understand information across text, video, images, audio, and code, and process a lot more of it. Now millions of developers are building with Gemini. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever feel like your digital life is scattered across a million places? Well, let me introduce you to your new best friend, Google One. It's not just cloud storage, it's your personal digital Swiss Army knife. Imagine having all your photos, files, and memories safely tucked away with AI-powered tools at your fingertips. Need to edit that group photo where someone blinked? Google One's got you covered. Want to declutter your inbox? It's on it. And the best part? You can share all these goodies with your family. It's like upgrading your entire digital life with one simple plan. So why settle for basic when you can have it all? Get more out of Google with Google One. Trust me, your future self will thank you.
Whoa! Big news from Google! They've just dropped Gemini 2.0 and it's a game changer. Imagine an AI that can not only understand text, images, and audio, but can also create them. It's like having a super smart assistant that can think ahead and take action for you. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new era of AI. Google's been working on this for years, and now it's here. They're already testing it in search, making it easier to ask complex questions and get detailed answers. And get this, they've built custom hardware just for this AI. It's not just about organizing information anymore, it's about making that information seriously useful. The future of AI is here, folks, and it's looking pretty wild.
Hey, want to supercharge your career? Listen up. Google just dropped a game changer called AI Essentials. It's a self-paced course that's about to revolutionize how we work. Whether you're in tech, marketing, or even healthcare, this course is for you. Imagine boosting your productivity with AI skills that fit any industry. The best part? You can learn at your own pace. No pressure, just pure potential. This isn't just another boring online course. It's your ticket to staying ahead in a world where AI is changing everything. Don't get left behind. Google AI Essentials is your secret weapon for career success. Are you ready to level up? The future is AI and it's waiting for you. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Your future self will thank you.
Hey, ever wished you had a personal assistant that's always on call? Well, meet your Google Assistant. It's like having your own mini Google right in your pocket. Need to know the weather? Just ask. Want to set a reminder? Easy peasy. Curious about that random fact you can't remember? Your assistant's got you covered. It's not just for information though. Tell it to play your favorite song, dim the lights, or even order pizza. The best part? It's always learning and getting smarter. So go ahead, give it a try, ask it anything, tell it to do stuff. Your own personal Google is waiting to make your life easier. One command at a time. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
Hey, tech enthusiasts, want to supercharge your projects? Listen up. Google's offering a game-changing deal. Imagine having access to their top-notch infrastructure, cutting-edge AI products, and powerful foundation models. Wait, there's more. They're not just giving you the tools, they're backing you with serious cash. We're talking up to $250,000 in cloud credits. That's right, $250,000 to fuel your innovation. Plus, you'll get expert training to master these tools. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a launch pad for your next big idea. Whether you're a startup or an established company, this could be your ticket to the big leagues. Don't let this slip away. Dive into Google's ecosystem and watch your projects soar.